Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Equip Lightning Flash Wukong, set your primary activation key, and verify you have 50% energy or the listed resource. Once done, move to a flank. Positioning matters because the ability rewards surprise and angle. Press the activation key to enter dash readiness. Hold brief to aim or tap for quick burst. You do this because the tool multiplies damage on critical sides, so conserve resource and plan your opening strike for maximum impact. Once you've engaged, dash in and immediately chain the core combo. Dash, cancel into melee within 0.5 seconds, then string 2 light attacks followed by a heavy. You perform the cancel to retain momentum and reset dodge frames because Lightning Flash rewards rapid follow-ups. Make sure to time the heavy when the target is staggered. This multiplies the lightning proc and secures burst. If walls or ledges are nearby, use them to extend range and force enemy repositioning. For added advantage, you finish fights by opting for an area burst or your ultimate when multiple enemies cluster, because lightning flashes and/or amplifies cleave. Once done, reposition immediately and avoid staying past 2-3 seconds. Overextension is the main cause of deaths. If your timing is off, back out, use regen or shields, and allow the 3-second reset window to return. This prevents wasted resources. One troubleshooting tip: if the dash fails, check keybind conflicts and energy thresholds before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.